Back in 2015, Kohl's became the first retail store in the world to allow payments via Apple Pay. Today, more than 1 million retail stores, restaurants, gas stations, and grocery stores accept contactless payments through Apple Pay. Just whip out your Apple device and make a quick payment without all the credit card hassle. Super convenient, right? That's why today we'll give you the Apple Pay 101. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. We post weekly content and regular simple how-to videos. Let's get to it. Now, if you've got any reservations about how safe Apple Pay is, rest assured, it's a super secure way to make payments. This is because your card numbers are not stored on your device or sent with your payment. What's more, every Apple Pay transaction has to be authorized by your fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode. So if you're worried that your iPhone might get stolen or misused, keep in mind that whoever finds your iPhone won't be able to use Apple Pay unless they have your passcode. From McDonald's to the Lego store, Trader Joe's to Costco, Apple Pay is supported by most major retail stores, restaurants, grocery stores, boutiques, you name it. Unfortunately though, Walmart currently does not accept Apple Pay. Someone better get Doug McMillan on speed dial. Am I right? Device compatibility, what cards you can use, we've got you. You can link any major credit card or debit card provider with Apple Pay. Apple Pay can be used on any iPhone with Face ID or Touch ID. Unfortunately, this does not include iPhone 5S. You can also use this payment method on any iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad mini with Touch ID or Face ID. Lastly, Apple Watch or a Mac with Touch ID can be used too. So if you happen to leave your phone at home, you can still bag yourself a sandwich for lunch. Although you should know, iPad and Mac are mainly for app and web purchases and cannot be used for in-store purchases. Now, there's only 3 simple steps to set up Apple Pay on your iPhone. First off, open the wallet on your iPhone. Next, tap the plus button at the top right. Finally, follow the prompt to scan your bank card. If your card is too worn out, you might want to enter all your card numbers manually. Depending on your bank account, you might get a confirmation text to confirm your identity. Voila! Apple Pay is now all set up on your iPhone. Now, if you're looking to set it up on Apple Watch, you'll need a primary iOS device such as your iPhone or iPad for the initial setup. So grab the device you need and follow these simple steps. On your iOS device, go to the Apple Watch app and click My Watch tab. If you have multiple watches, select the desired one here. Now choose Wallet and Apple Pay. Finally, tap Add Card. You can scan your card on your device or enter the numbers manually. Your bank may require authorization by sending a verification text message. Once you're done with that, you're all set up and ready to go. You can now use your Apple Watch via Apple Pay, even if you don't have your iPhone or iPad with you. Yippee, the joys of the 21st century. Now that you're all done with setting up Apple Pay, how do you go about actually using it? Here's how it will work. If you're using Face ID and your default card, first double click the side button, then glance at the device to authenticate Face ID, or just enter your passcode. Now hold the top of the iPhone near the contactless reader until the transaction is approved. If you're using Touch ID and your default card, rest your finger on the Touch ID pad. Next, position the top of your iPhone within a few centimeters of the contactless reader until you hear a ping and see Done with a check mark on your iPhone screen. If your purchase is under $50, Apple Pay should work just fine without any more authentication. If it's over that amount, the retailer may ask for ID, PIN, or a separate signature. So, paying by Apple Watch lets you skip the whole Face ID or Touch ID business because you're already wearing a device with a biometric sensor. If that's your jam, just follow these simple steps. To use your default card, first double-click the side button on your Apple Watch. Now, hold the display of your Apple Watch near the contactless reader and wait until you feel a gentle tap. Depending on the amount and the retailer, Apple Pay should work without any more authentication. If it's over that amount, the retailer may ask for ID, PIN, or a separate signature. Now, if you found this helpful, be sure to give this video a like in support and subscribe to our channel for regular, safe, and private online choices. That's it, that's all you need to do to set up Apple Pay on your iOS device. Are you going to be using Apple Pay for the first time? Let us know down in the comments below. If you have any more questions, be sure to drop us a comment. We're here for you. Thanks for watching. Until next time.